Hello, I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian nutritionist and chair-elect for the Latinos and Hispanics in dietetics and nutrition. This important role allows me to address and share the different health issues and nutrition needs facing Hispanics and Latinos in the U.S. As a result, this time around, I have partnered with the National Pork Board to share with you their latest Time to Tango Latinos Are Pork's Future Findings Report and how pork consumption can help with our health and nutrition. Heart disease is a leading cause of death in Hispanics and Latinos, and high blood pressure is one of the most common conditions that increase the risk of heart disease. Fortunately, consuming lean cuts of pork such as pork tenderloin or pork sirloin roast is good for the heart, as they are heart check certified products by the American Heart Association. Also, a total of 8 pork cuts meet the USDA guidelines for lean, which means they have less than 10 grams of fat per serving. Reports show that lean protein is the meat of choice in the Hispanic demographics. Pork chops are lean and favored by Hispanics over other protein cuts. Another health issue that affects a large amount of Latinos is diabetes. In the United States, adults have a 40% chance of developing type 2 diabetes. But if you're Hispanic or Latino, your chances of developing type 2 diabetes is more than 50%. Also, you're more likely to get it at a younger age with higher complications. The Center for Disease Control has identified that along with genetics and lack of physical activity, food is a big factor in increasing the risk for diabetes in Hispanics. This is due to both a diet typically high in fat and the social pressure to eat more, as turning down food can be seen as impolite. I love pork because it is healthy, easy to prepare, and a high quality protein, with 7 of the most common cuts containing less than 27% of saturated fat than 20 years ago. With type 2 diabetes, choosing lean, high quality protein, especially paired with fruits and vegetables, can help control hunger and slow the emptying of the stomach, which plays an important role in controlling blood glucose. Research conducted by the National Pork Board shows the sales and consumption of pork are not slowing down. In fact, they will continue to increase among Latinos due to their affinity to the protein and cultural relevance. To learn more about pork, its health benefits, and get inspired with healthy recipes, visit porquesabor.com. And if you are a dietitian like me, download the report at pork.org/marketing.